Curious about Meta AI on WhatsApp and how it can totally level up your messaging game? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to activate Meta AI on your WhatsApp. And yes, it's easier than you think. Whether you're just exploring AI or want to boost your daily chats with smart features, Meta AI is a powerful tool you shouldn't miss. And stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp if you decide it's not for you. Welcome to Techful Things, where we simplify tech so you can get the most out of your devices. We've helped tons of users with similar questions, and today we're diving into how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Update WhatsApp. Meta AI only works with the latest WhatsApp version. So first, go to your App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android, search for WhatsApp, and make sure it's updated. Once updated, open WhatsApp and look for the Meta AI icon. It may appear in the search bar or as a floating circular icon at the top. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Update your operating system. Sometimes your phone's OS can be the reason features don't show up. For iPhone, open Settings, General, Software Update. Tap Download and install if an update is available. For Android, open Settings, System Update. Download and install if there's an update available. Restart your device and then check WhatsApp again for the Meta AI option. Step 3. Clear app cache. Minor glitches can block new features. Here's how to clear cache. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, WhatsApp, Offload App. This removes unused data while keeping your chats safe. On Android, long press the WhatsApp icon, App Info, Storage or Storage and Cache, clear cache. Then restart your phone and try again. Step 4. Contact WhatsApp support. Still no Meta AI? Let's contact WhatsApp directly. Go to Settings, Help, Contact Us. Mention that Meta AI isn't showing up on your device. WhatsApp support can often fast-track the process. Bonus tip. It's good to know that WhatsApp sometimes rolls out features gradually, so if Meta AI still isn't there, just keep checking regularly. Patience is key. And if you're someone who prefers a clean, no AI chat experience, you can also remove Meta AI completely. I've linked a video at the end that walks you through that process. Which feature of Meta AI are you most excited to try out on WhatsApp? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Techful Things, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.